Hello kids. Pink color, light green color, orange color, sky blue color. Let's try to learn some alphabets. A for apron, B for basket, C for carrot, D for drum. A is for apron. A is for apron. K is for kite. S for strawberry. S for strawberry. Light green color. B for basket. B for basket. L for lion. L for lion. T for tiger. T for tiger. X for Xerox. X for Xerox. Orange color. C for carrot. C for carrot. M for monkey. M for monkey. Q for squirrel. Q for squirrel. Y for yellow. Y for yellow. Sky blue color. D for Doraemon. D for Doraemon. N for nose. N for nose. V for vulture. V for vulture. Z for zigzag. Z for zigzag. Pink color. E for egg. E for egg. I for iron. I for iron. W for world. W for world. Light green color. F for fox. F for fox. J for jelly. J for jelly. R for rose. R for rose. G for guava. G for guava. H for house. H for house. O for orange. O for orange. Red color. P for pigeon. P for pigeon. U for umbrella. U for umbrella. A B C D E F G H I J K L M N O P Q R S T U V W X Y Z.